Usually you can download macOS Catalina installer from the App Store, but the App Store doesn't always show older macOS versions like Catalina in search results, especially if your Mac came with a newer version. You can use the direct link to open macOS Catalina in the App Store. If your Mac doesn't support macOS Catalina, you'll fail to download macOS Catalina with this direct link either. In this case, to download macOS Catalina for distribution or bootable USB installer creation, you can download macOS Catalina DMG file. Follow this link to find the macOS Catalina DMG file from Mediafire. However, I have to remind you that Mediafire is a shared cloud storage and file sharing service. The macOS Catalina DMG file on it is uploaded by an unknown user. So for security consideration, I suggest you download macOS Catalina DMG file with iBoysoft DiskGeeker. This tool is an Apple authenticated disk management tool that supports download old and the latest version of macOS DMG files. Also, it supports creating bootable USB installer for macOS with clicks only. Let me show you how to use it. Download iBoysoft DiskGeeker from the official website. Select Download Image from the left sidebar and choose macOS Catalina. Then, click Download Image and wait for the download process to complete. If you download macOS Catalina for creating bootable USB installer, connect an external drive. Select the Create Boot Disk button. On the prompt, choose the connected drive, and then click Select and Continue. Next, choose macOS Catalina on the prompt and click OK to start downloading the macOS Catalina. It will start creating the macOS Catalina DMG first. This will take a moment. After downloading bootable USB installer immediately. Different macOS Catalina DMG file. macOS Catalina ISO file can only be used to create bootable USB installer for macOS. It more often used for running macOS Catalina on virtual machine like VMware for unsupported Mac and Windows. To get the macOS Catalina ISO file, you can follow this link. This is to download macOS Catalina ISO file from archive.org. Compare with macOS Catalina ISO. macOS Catalina VMDK contains the entire macOS Catalina installer and its data in a format that can be run inside a virtual machine. If you need to run macOS Catalina on a virtual machine for Windows PC or an unsupported Mac, download macOS Catalina VMDK with this link. macOS Catalina installers is helpful. If you think my video for downloading, share it with your friends.